Hey, Johnny here with Field Van. I'm here with two of our techs in the systems department. Cowboy's been with us how long?
7 years.
7 years. And Mario is supervisor here. He's got his 10-year jack, so I know it's been at least 10 years. How many years, Mario?
25.
25 years.
Yeah.
So these guys might know a little bit about what they're doing. So we're talking about quality and making sure our water system is sealed and nice and tight. And so I'm assuming we get all the pipes in there, we fill this baby up with water and just make sure, the van doesn't get all wet. Is that how we do this?
No, we have to put pressure first, air pressure first, 80 pounds, and then after 30 minutes, we gotta make sure it's holding, and then it's ready to put water on it.
Okay, cool. So we take our air compressor, we fill it up. It looks like Cowboy's got that ready to go. All right, so it's sitting just a hair below 80, cool. So 30 minutes later, Mario?
After 30 minutes, we gotta make sure it's holding and it's ready to put water.
Okay, and do you guys, when it's under pressure, are we gonna take a look at some of the fittings and make sure everything's holding tight?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So that's just a tip for building your van. I know there's a lot of DIYers out there. We wanna show how you do it in the RV industry, how we do it here at Field Van. Well, thanks, guys. Yeah, I appreciate you showing us that, Mario. If you find that interesting, check out our YouTube channel. We got lots of videos. Hit the subscribe button. We're going to come out with more content about how to build your van the right way, how we do it here at Field Van, give you all the tips and tricks to make sure that your van is ready for the road.